My name is Syliva Campbell, and I am honored to serve as president of the board of directors of Village Partners International. Reverend John DeBevoise and I would like to share with you who we are, what we do, and what we hope to do in the future. Begun in 2007, VPI works to improve lives in Haiti, Uganda, and for those who live on the streets of Tampa, Florida, as we partner to help others help themselves. Focusing on medical support internationally and care for the homeless locally, we believe in sharing the tools that allow others to work towards sustainability. As a totally volunteer, nonprofit 501c3, over 99% of all donations support our programs, where we reach out to others in need, giving hope and healing to the most vulnerable in our world. Here is our story.
Partnering is the key word. In Mambunkrochu, Haiti, one of the poorest places in the Western Hemisphere, we partner with a Haitian clinic run by the government there with Haitian nurses and doctors who are providing health care for a community of over 30,000 people. We've been able to strengthen them in our partnership by helping to provide for a nutrition program. It seeks to provide life-giving support to infants and children and to educate their mothers and their fathers as they do the work of finding food and sustaining them with good nutrition. You see the class of students who with their parents have graduated from the program and the supplements that the clinic is able to give with our support. We have changed lives and saved lives, particularly of vulnerable children in this place of little resources. We also have been a part of establishing clean water programs. Waterborne illnesses have been dramatically reduced because of our work with the clinic, with the people in the larger community. The technology, the practical way of getting it done is within reach, and we're able to have nearly eliminated these waterborne illnesses through the work of the clinic and our partners there. We also support a surgical center that provides necessary surgeries. We support a dental clinic there that is such a blessing to the people in the community who would otherwise simply suffer in pain. And we strengthen the doctors and nurses who remain there, who work in the delivering of babies and the establishing of basic health care out of that community every day. They are our partners, and we are grateful to share in this ministry with them. As we share together, we feel our hands holding their hands as we try to be part of God's hands, reaching out in care for these vulnerable people.
It is difficult to imagine what it would feel like to be invisible, to be unseen by those who pass by you as the streets have become your home, the concrete your bed. Often, for reasons beyond their control, the homeless population continues to increase in Tampa. In 2016, Kindness Matters was formed as an outreach to those who often live in the shadows of our community. Weekly, carts are filled with food, clothing, toiletry, books, glasses, coffee, and water, and gift cards are shared for groceries, allowing autonomy. Lists of needed items are collected and items supplied as possible. Assistance with medical help and legal help is given as many have great difficulty overcoming the obstacles that exist to obtain work. By recognizing these, our friends as individuals, by stopping to talk and share names and stories, we truly see those most invisible to others and restore dignity as we are able.
In Uganda, we have responded to the leaders of the community in a rural part of eastern Uganda, and they're reaching out to us in an email across the world asking if we could help them in providing basic health care to their people. We've done that through two enterprises. One is the clinic providing pediatric care, respite care, as well as some diagnosis and vaccination and basic health care for children not only who are ill, but who are simply at risk there. It's been a great blessing in the life of that community, and the hands-on work is done by the people in the village themselves. We also share in the Janice and Jay Jester maternity clinic there. It has not only helped in the delivering of healthy infants, but also in the education of helpful prenatal care and sustaining nutrition and health care following the birth of the children. The smiles on our partners are a part of the sign of our knowing that we have done something that makes God smile as well. We're grateful for the chance to share in vaccinations and preventive health measures that strengthen the public health of the entire community and the country, and indeed as an example to the world.
Thank you for your support of Village Partners International. It is with your gifts that we are able to continue. It is with your belief in our work that we are strengthened. It is with your donations that we continue to reach out to the most vulnerable in our world. May you know the lives you touch are changed forever by your love.